What are the articles? So we have some articles in English. What are the articles that you know? شو هما الارتيكلز اللي كتعرفهم in English? So عندنا the, yes, a, yes, an or an. ولكن اللي كيهمنا دابا هو a and an, okay? A and an, okay? Do we use a and when do we use an? Look at the picture. So an is followed by متبوعة an متبوعة ب yes. Look at this. So an is followed by vowel. Yes, vowel sound. Vowel يعني voyelle. Okay? So an كيكون متبوع ب vowel. Okay? A vowel sound. Okay? A كيكون متبوع ب yes, consonant. لي consonant. Okay? So it is usually followed by a consonant. Can you give me an example with a word with
An orange.
excellent, very good. An orange, very good. Ashraf? Diet. So هكا الحمية diet. Date. Okay, diet هي الحمية. Okay. So date, very good. Date. Sharaf? What is this? Okay, so this is a table. Okay. Yalla, another example with an. A word that is that we use an with. Sharaf? خلي Sharaf. What is this? Marker. Okay, so do we say a marker or an marker? Okay, so صافي. So a marker, not an marker. Yes, you said?
Light.
Yes, a light bulb. Very good. A light bulb. Very good. Shut up. A book. Very good. A book. صافي فهمنا. So an is followed by vowel. ملي كنقولوا vowel sound vowel. Okay. باش ما تخربقكمش هاد vowel sound. ملي كنقولوا vowel it's vowel sound it's a vowel. Consonant sound it's a consonant. Okay. كتبوا هاد القاعده هذه. كتبوا articles عن شنو كتبوا. So كتبوا articles an or an. كتبوا examples. كتبوا examples ديالكم. Okay, so look at number 1. Listen, complete the sentences with a or one.
This is a book.
Yes, this is a book. Very good. Number 2.
This is an eraser.
Excellent. This is an eraser. Good. 3.
This is
So E واش consonant ولا vowel؟ واش كنقولوا a English ولا an English book؟ ها؟ An. Okay, an. 4. This is
a marker.
very good. 5.
This is
Very good. 6.
This is a clock.
Very good. This is a clock. Okay, so look at the picture. What do you see in the picture? What do you see? What do we have in this picture?
We have 3 persons.
Yes, there are. Very good. There are 3 persons. Okay. So 2. That's a cake. Okay. It's a cake. It's a cake. تعرف فرنسي هذيك. Okay. So it's a cake. So now 2 girls and one boy. Very good. What are they doing? What are they doing? شو كيديروا؟ They are celebrating. Okay, so they are celebrating. Yes, very good. Birthday. Okay, let's see whose birthday is this. Let's see. So, what are the names of the persons we have? Yes? Wendy. Helen. Very good. Rex. So yes, Wendy, what are they talking about? So wow, what are these? They're earrings. Oh, cool. Thank you, Helen. They're great. You're welcome. Sorry. Open this box. Okay. What's this? It's a scarf. Oh, it's interesting. Thank you, Rex. It's very nice. Okay, so they are talking about things. Okay, they're not objects, the things. Okay, so what things are they talking about? شنو هما الأشياء اللي كيهضروا عليهم؟ What are things that they are talking about?
Scarf.
Yes, a scarf. Earrings. Okay, so earrings.
Books.
Box. Yes, box. Okay. صندوق. Yes. Scarf. عرفتوا شنو هي scarf? Scarf. Hula. Okay. So scarf. So yes, can someone read? يلا Yusuf.
Windy.
Windy.
Whoa, what are this?
What are
This.
these?
Helen, your earrings.
Yes, they're earrings.
Windy. Oh, Paul. Thank you, Helen. They're great.
They're great. Yes.
Helen, you're welcome. Rex, no.
Now open this box.
Open this box. Windy. Okay. What's this? Rex, it's a scarf. Windy. Oh, it's interesting.
Good.
Thank you, Rex. It's very nice.
Yes, Sharaf, can you read?
Wow.
Yes. Whoa. What are these? These راه هادو. Okay. انتبهوا. So هذه راه it's the plural of this. ملي كتكون عندنا this يعني واحد. Okay. ملي كيكون عندنا مثلا جوج كنقولوا these هادو. Okay.
They're earrings. Cool. Thank you, Helen. They're great.
Yes, they're great.
You're welcome. Now open.
Now, it's now, not no. Now.
Open this
Box.
Okay.
Okay, what's this?
What?
I think okay. So okay, what's this?
This
Scarf.
scarf.
It's interesting.
Thank you, Rex. It is very.
Yes, very good. Yes. Okay, so what are they talking about? مشروع السؤال اللي سولتكم في الأول. What are they talking about?
They are talking in things.
Yes, so they are talking about things. What are these things that they are talking about? شرف؟ شنو هما things اللي كيهضروا عليهم؟ Very good. Scarf. زين.
The books.
Box. Sorry, box. صندوق. Box.
And
Earrings. Present. A present هي هدية. Okay. Or a gift. Okay. يا إما كنقولوا present ولا gift. Okay, so let's do exercise number 1. شوفوا واش عارفين عليهم. غتكتبوه عندكم. جي التمارين. ديروا unit 2. What's this? كتبوا واحد. Number 1. What are these things? سؤال. كتبوا الصفحة. page number let's see 7. Okay, تمرين 1 صفحة 7. تمرين 1 صفحة. فكر في هذوك الجوج اللي بقاو لك.